Subscribe my Techie Bro YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Hello friends, welcome to my Techie Bro YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you that how to install C language on Termux. So let's start. To install C language you need to type apt install C lang and hit enter. Now it is installing. Now we have successfully installed C language on Termux. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. And I will see you in next video.